How to fix Teams error code 5 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Clear Teams cache. Stored data in Teams can become outdated and interfere with sign-in, and clearing it gives the app a clean slate to reconnect with your account. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, fix 2. Disable the firewall temporarily. A strict firewall might prevent Teams from accessing the internet, and turning it off briefly can allow the app to establish a connection. Try using the Teams again to see if the error is resolved. If not, turn it back on. Fix 3. Run SFC and DISM. Damaged system files can disrupt Teams operations, and a scan with this tool restores their integrity to support a seamless login. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 4. Check the Microsoft server status. Server outages on Microsoft's end can prevent sign-in, and checking their status ensures the problem isn't beyond your control. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.